It was one of those spacious, stormy afternoons in late October, with clouds drifting low in the sky, and a fine, persistent rain dampening the ground. The wildness of the moors was emphasized by the ceaseless patter of raindrops and the occasional gust of wind that rustled through the heat. Sitting by the window of Wuthering Heights, I watched the bleak landscape through the misty glass, feeling the isolation and raw beauty of the place seep into my bones. The fire crackled softly behind me, casting a warm glow that contrasted with the somber scene outside, making this stormy afternoon one to remember.
Good luck, Harry Potter. Begins.